The Wedi Ecobath OneStep shower base system is designed for predetermined shower stall sizes with planned drain locations. Designed to outperform and outlast as the industry's fastest and easiest installation system of all tileable molded shower bases today, Ecobath is therefore a perfect fit for large-scale commercial projects and new construction. The Ecobath OneStep is available in multiple sizes and also in custom sizes upon request. The OneStep is a sturdy one-piece molded base with integrated drain, pitched curb, and 4-inch sidewalls and half-inch thickness. The product is internally 100% waterproof. The drain connection is a simple pressure fit, and the system includes a caulking nut, caulking gasket, locking nut, fiber gasket, rubber gasket, and the drain body, as well as the brushed stainless steel cover plate and its frame. First, clean the inner ring of the OneStep base and apply a continuous bead of Wedi joint sealant. Next, insert the drain body and on the back side of the base slide on the rubber gasket, then the fiber gasket, and hand tighten the locking nut. It's not necessary to use any wrenches in this step, as we do not want to over-tighten. Now, clean off the excess sealant on the front side, and the base is ready to be installed. The OneStep can now be installed in a bed of modified thinset mortar using a 3/8 by 3/8 to 1/2 by 1/2 notched trowel. Make sure the substrate is even, structurally sound, and stable and clean of any dirt or contaminants. Using the flat side of your trowel, key in your mortar first to ensure that you achieve a proper bond. When troweling in your mortar, be sure to pull it all in the same direction to allow the air to escape as you set the pan in place. Apply firm pressure to the base and add some weight while you start working on the walls. Remove any excess mortar and backfill where necessary. At this time, install the rubber caulking gasket with the bevel side up flush to the top of the 2-inch pipe. Hand tighten the caulking nuts using the metal guide with a screwdriver. Do not use any power tools on this. You are now ready to install the waterproof Wedi building panels directly to the studs and to the top of the integrated sidewalls. You may use alternative backer boards such as cement boards or suitable gypsum baseboards with Wedi Ecobath OneStep, but only in combination with additional topical waterproofing. Apply a continuous 1/2-inch bead of Wedi joint sealant to the top of the sidewall and firmly seat the panel to ensure the sealant is compressed and you have some push out. Apply Wedi screws and washers at 1 foot above the joint to hold the building panel in place, and then every 1 foot after. Fasteners can be applied directly into the joints to create a flush transition. All fastener points are sealed off with Wedi joint sealant. Use a putty knife to spread the sealant flat and cover all seams or joints at least 3/4 inch wide on both sides of a seam. When installing the sidewalls, again, apply the Wedi joint sealant on the top of the base sidewall and then run the same 1/2-inch bead up the back wall for this connection. Finish off by going over all fasteners with the joint sealant and reapply all the seams with a top coat and smooth off with your putty knife, ensuring a visibly waterproof assembly. You can now simply insert the drain cover frame and plate onto the base without using any glue and start tiling using any tile or stone in any size or thickness. Optionally, the black height extension piece may be used. Typically, a standard modified thinset mortar is used to set the tile, achieving perfect bond to Wedi Ecobath OneStep.